Welcome back to the Antigravity CLI course. Sometimes you're deep in a working session and you want to try a different direction, but not at the cost of the path you're already on. In this lesson, we cover the fork command, which branches the current session into a parallel one, preserving the original thread so you can explore an alternate approach without losing your first line of work. Think of it as a Git branch for your conversation. Let's drop into the terminal. Here we are in a session that's going well, and we want to explore a second idea without disturbing it. Let's branch. Picture where we are. The agent has built a working approach for a feature, and now we're curious whether a completely different design would be better. We don't want to throw away what we have, so branching is the right move. So we run the fork command. It branches the current session into a parallel one, copying the full context up to this point, and drops us into the new branch while the original stays exactly as it was. The confirmation shows both threads now exist side by side. Our original session is untouched and waiting, and this fresh fork carries the same history, ready for us to take it somewhere new. Now we experiment freely. On this branch, we ask the agent to try the alternate design, and whatever happens here stays here. If the idea flops, the original path is still intact for us to return to. One thing worth knowing. Combined with subagents, forking is how Antigravity handles parallel lines of work, letting you pursue two directions at once and keep the one that turns out better. Here's what to keep from this lesson. The fork command branches the current session into a parallel one, preserving the original thread while you explore a new direction. Think of it as a Git branch for your conversation, letting you try an alternate approach without losing the first path you were on. Combined with subagents, forking is how Antigravity handles parallel lines of work across a session. Head to Standarity.com for the full Antigravity CLI course, and join us in Lesson 19, where the side question command asks a quick aside without derailing your main task.